Hello from Sakura Mobile. In this video, we will show you how to install a Sakura Mobile Travel eSIM on your iPhone. First, please make sure your phone is eSIM compatible and not locked by your carrier. Next, a stable internet connection is required for installation. The eSIM can only be installed once, so please do not delete the eSIM from your phone after installation. The plan starts as soon as you arrive in Japan and your eSIM connects to a local data network. The validity period begins at that moment. You can install the eSIM from abroad. However, we recommend you installing it in Japan to avoid any possible error messages. Let's go to the first step. Before the installation, turn off other eSIM or SIMs in your phone. Go to your Settings app and select Cellular or Mobile Data. You can toggle the Turn on this line button. Next, issue the eSIM QR code. Please check your emails and search for the email with the title QR code issue link /Sakura Mobile to find the link to your eSIM QR code. Be sure to check the terms before issuing the QR code. Step 3. Install the eSIM profile. Go back to your Setting app, Cellular, and tap the Add eSIM button. Now it's time to scan the QR code. Wait a minute, how do I scan the QR code with my phone when it is on my phone? Don't worry, you can either take a screenshot of the QR code and long press it in your gallery. If you have another device, you can use it to scan, or you can print the QR code out. You can also manually input the SMDP address and activation code without scanning the QR code. If you have multiple SIM or eSIM in your phone, you'll be asked to name the new eSIM and assign it with some functions such as mobile data, phone, SMS. Make sure to name our eSIM something like Sakura eSIM or Japan to avoid any confusion later. And now you're all set. Now you're good to go. If you have any questions, please contact us. Enjoy your Japan journey with Sakura Mobile. Simple, clear, fast.